So you can see the hail. Yeah, you can see the... You gonna try to get some?
Yeah, I already had one.
Look at the pool while it's bouncing out there.
I got one. Dad, look it. See?
Wow.
Dad, look, I got one.
Ooh, you got one, Megan. It tastes good? Eat it, Taylor. We're getting lightning and everything happening here. Lightning, thunder. Hear that thunder? It is coming down. There's poor old Drake way out there in the doghouse. Yeah, I'll make you one, sweetheart. There's Drake. Wow. And this is May 13th or something. Now look at it. I'll make it for you just a minute, hon. Man, it is coming down now. Here it is the middle of May. Amazing. Wow. I think I didn't spray Roundup today.
I got the cup right there.
Oh, good idea. Fill up the cup.
Yeah.
Man, it is coming down, folks.
You got one right there.
I did. Snow in the mountains, no doubt. Man, oh man. That's fun. It's out the front door. We got a. It's almost hitting the house. All kinds of hail.
It's coming inside.
Man, oh man. Woo! It is coming down. What do you think of that stuff, Megan? What do you think of that stuff? It tastes good?
Now you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Now you don't.